And the games are hold be bring na course so Africa and across the world abusua. And Ghana Black Star is sunny foam is sunny omutedue mo abusua just say kasme ka Ghana Black Star etimiche Chad and the Black Star Chad abuse omutimi abuse Chad 5-0 amichumwa Chad entimanche a single goal kra na me come to these matches a course so Africa abuchi de yanko cause Africa de eti ye Africa mun sensem na de bremo na me formura ene games a course within Africa. Now, you started with Ghana Black Stars because you started free fee. You see, to be started so about them free fee. At a carbon thing, na about to first so we so muna ya na fi jawama you know what I say. Ghana Black Stars abusia omo sunny from e Chad. Say them nigga can no Chad abuse. I want to me Chad makumaku num and the matches ne there obi otimi show goes to Europa as a country Black Stars of Ghana abusia. And it share 5-0. Now, first goal near Antoine Semenyo on a share first goal 2 minutes and a first goal no buy and Inaki Williams on the after training grounds and no granted interview no chum say hey and they measure go I was standing from up why to say and we fulfilling a promise was she go at the Black Stars of Ghana and a 30th minute me chum 31st minute and I also share the second goal at the senior Black Stars. And Jordan Ayew and some 8 share penalty at the Black Stars under 35th minute, which 36 minutes and a penalty by our ultimate bottle at the senior Black Stars of Ghana. And Mohamed Salisu and so 56 minutes on so timidity the fourth goal no by your call first half na by na share 2 goals. And at the last goal and a Sunyama also a share the 5th goal at the Black Stars of Ghana. Now, my phone call the different countries within Africa. Also goes matches a course so Botswana any Algeria Botswana share kaba koma Algeria share miensa Botswana ene match of 3-1 and Guinea versus Somalia also amuguso mobo 0-0 ubi anya shebi and Ethiopia Equatorial Guinea versus South Tommy South Tommy South Tommy is South Tommy abusha also Equatorial Guinea to me share South Tommy is 2-0 so montimanti e can be South Africa actually so to bono 2-0 and Rwanda and so Nigeria share Rwanda 2-0 and Burkina Faso on so a country and quite a even Djibouti also Burkina Faso to mission 4-1 that was the closest highest goal scorer by and I wish I know 4-1 no command as a 5 goals contribution and a PM or that match no. As compared to the senior Black Stars, Black Star 5. And at the last match, of course, South Sudan and Sonny Dr. Congo, South Sudan and so with Milusuye to Dr. Congo 1-0. And to this match is of course, I can see the senior Black Stars. I can see the enthusiasm and the passion to play for the country. And a match the meaning of training in Ebi. First half of man started ye, but under 15 minutes walk over and started to enjoy the game. I feel that there is passion in the senior Black Stars of Ghana again because I feel like when you see the players how they tackle the ball when they lose the ball they also get to tackle and then recover the ball back again. And I saw some Black Charlie. If these things are going to continue, Ghanaians are also going to support the senior Black Stars and they are also going to enjoy the game because like when I stadium no ball fully filled ebi mo jinajina just a back gate they wanted to come in and I don't feel like they were coming to watch Chad game no bushia. They were there to see the stars in the senior Black Stars bushia because Black Stars team that one bushia. There are a lot of players when they play for their various clubs you can see say they have the name Pate Kudus Jordan Ayew Jiku and Esnyama Kamadin Suleiman mention again who are them Gideon Mensah what Mohamed Salisu who just say when you look at the players that play for the senior Black Stars now you feel like they have the name when they go to Europe they have the name there but when they come to Black Star that is where you see some certain petty things and not gonna feel in every lie. But today I see the spirit and then the enthusiasm and passion to play for the senior Black Stars and I feel like when they continue like this the people are also going to watch and support them. And then stadium was very full. Everybody was cheering to the senior Black Stars abusha. Today Pate was very superb. We controlled the midfield very well. Semenyo, Inaki, all the players they showed what they can do for the senior Black Stars, and I feel and I enjoy the game. What do you feel about the game? What do you think? That went very well, Abusia. It kept the Black Stars to score the 5 goals, and then they were able to defend the 5 goals. Chad was very poor into the game today. I feel like they wasn't no more performing. Yes, looking at their performance as compared to the Black Stars, as the Black Star and there is this one thing that I don't really understand, because Sawosha His Excellency John Dramani Mama and the second coming now was sacked probably in various sectors. What I say, when you go to the police sector, was sacked down Paris, military leader was sacked on Eddie for now. The very one thing that he didn't touch was the football sector. Everybody is still working. If I'm not misquoting, everybody is still working in that sector. So what was the problem? That they weren't performing. They were like, when you saw the Black Stars playing, you feel like, yeah, nobody is serious. Some serious. But today, no changes in the GFA, and then the whole football sector will be free. They are still there. But today, I see improvement in the senior Black Stars of Ghana. What do you think about the game, and what do you think that the Black Star did that, and I keep them into the game, and now to me, I really 5-0. And then when you look at the World Cup qualifiers, Nabusha, Black Stars of Ghana the first with 12 points, followed by Madagascar, and then the rest are also below. And then game in a course and that's somewhere Karma Studios. If this is your first time, I didn't now follow this platform on TikTok, Facebook, Telephone Abdo, YouTube, Karma Studios. Now subscribe. Now me other man. There be any update, maybe somewhere this platform. Thanks for enjoying our content today. If you really enjoy our content, kindly subscribe, put us on post notification. So there be any updates when I be the first person to watch. I'm out.